All right, now I'm taking care of David's vacuum secondary double bumper. This one has a metering block in the back, which is kind of weird because a lot of them don't. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So this one's a little strange, but it's, you can see it right there. It's an 8870-1. So we're gonna get right into tearing it down. First thing I'm gonna note, he is missing his secondary accelerator pump squirter. Mainly because it don't has one. I gotta see what's going on here. This is kind of a weird deal, so we're gonna get to that. So this is what happens when you don't drain a carb, especially with modern ethanol inclusive fuels. Carburetors hate this. I mean, this would happen before, back in the day too, but the ethanol does not help. And this also doesn't help if your fuel system is filthy, your fuel tank is filthy, all your shit's filthy. This is just bad. Ugh, yucky. Varnish. Can't wait to take that accelerator pump off. That's gonna be real cute. Gasket's like one with it. Nasty. That's gonna need to soak in the juice. Like, I had to beat that thing off with a pretty heavy screwdriver handle to get it to come loose. So I'm gonna get the other bowl off here, and then we're gonna tear them apart. All right, so here's the secondary bowl. It's got phenolic plastic float. Primary bowl, an old school brass. But look at, you can see the line of where the fuel was when it just got parked and sat. But look at how gross that is. And these threads are really nasty on the bolts. Come on, focus. Focus. Hello. Focus. Yeah, there you go. Anywho, so I'm definitely gonna chase those threads. I hope they're not bad in the main body, but we'll break these down in a minute. Gonna get the metering block off the front. It's practically fucking glued on there at this point. I'll get this son of a bitch off. Oh, come on. There it goes. All right. Oh, that's lovely. That's gonna be a lot of scraping. And this is all what happens when you leave fuel in a carb. All you gotta do, if you're gonna store the car, you can drain. You can pull one of the bottom fuel bowl bolts. You can drain the bowls and then like run the motor and unhook the fuel pump or do something. You know, get all the stuff out of the accelerator pumps, squirt it, get everything out you can, and then that will prevent a lot of this bullshit. All right, so you can see the schmutz is all the way up into the fucking vacuum port of the vacuum diaphragm for the secondaries. Holy hell. All right, there's the secondary metering block. It's got no idle mixture adjustment circuit. It did have jets and a power valve, but it's really scuzzy too. So this stuff's gonna have to go sit in the marinade as well. Yeah, getting ready to pull the base plate off of the main body here. All right, so got the screws out. The main body's not too effed, but we're definitely gonna want to do some scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Because there is, oh, there's a helicoil in that already. Cute. But it's gross otherwise. But it's pretty clean. It's just got some gross shit down the venturis. And of course the boosters are disgusting because they've been soaked in shit fuel. So I'm just gonna take this accelerator pump squirter out of here, and this will be ready to roll. Our main body actually came apart pretty easily. Nothing major going here. Fairly clean, just needs a little bath. But pretty straightforward. All right, so this is the primary metering block. You can see the holes here for the idle circuit. So there's your idle screw. There's holes for your idle circuit. Holes for your idle circuit. There's a hole there. And then your secondary without an idle circuit. It's machined in, but it's not drilled. I'm sure if you wanted to get frisky, you could probably drill them. But you know what? That's a bad idea. You should just buy the right carburetor instead. But there's the difference. All right. So, primary bowl, got the accelerator pump off. Yucky. Is that enough varnish for you? This is why we don't leave carbs with fuel. I know I sound like a broken record, but maybe if I say it enough, people will stop this crap. Boing boing. Nasty. Accelerator pump. Nasty. So this is a primary. And mechanical secondary ones look similar to this, just flipped. So I have the accelerator pump. This is, well, it's not flipped actually, but this is the secondary for a vacuum sec with a metering block. Actually, they all look like that. See how it's not machined for accelerator pump. The bosses aren't there. But that's it. Those get a bath. That gets a bath. All the crap gets a bath.